Hi everyone, my name is Morgan Wilson. I'm with the Community Development YMCA and I run our after school academics programs. So this is going to be another episode of Science in Your Kitchen, and today we are doing the milk experiment. So we do need a couple things. Obviously, we need a plate. We need some milk. It doesn't matter what kind. So whole milk, skim milk, 1%, 2%, whatever you got is good. And I've measured out about half a cup. We're also going to need some Dawn dish soap, some Q-tips, and some food coloring. And this can get a little messy, so I also have just a kitchen towel around in case I make a mess. So, first thing, we are going to take our milk and dump it into the plate. I would recommend a plate with a lip so that the milk can't potentially flow out over the sides and make a big mess. But if you don't have one, that's what the kitchen towel is for. Okay, next up we're going to take our food coloring and we're going to make a diamond shape and put about 3 drops of each food coloring at the points of the diamond. So let me just get that real quick. And it's okay if it spreads out a little bit. That's not a big deal. Okay, so this is the fun part. We're gonna take our Q-tip and cover it in some dish soap. Get it nice and covered. And we're going to stick it right in the center of the milk. And you can see all of a sudden that now all the food coloring has been pushed back. Now the reason that happens is because your milk is full of fats. And the soap is kind of like a repellent and it's gonna push the fats away from it and into the food coloring. Now, there's a lot of fun that you can do with this, and you can actually make rainbow milk, because if I put the soap in the middle of those food colorings, they will spread out and start to move around the plate. Now, depending on the fat content of your milk, you will see more dramatic color movement than others. So if you have a low percentage of fat milk, say like skim milk or 1%, the colors won't move around as crazy. But the higher the fat content, the more movement you will see and the faster it will move across the plate. So this is the milk experiment. It's really fun to do. The milk cannot be drunk afterwards because there is soap in it. So you can't reuse the milk afterwards, but it is a lot of fun to do this with your kids and kind of explain the differences of fat content in milk, and that soap is kind of like a repellent for those fat lipids inside the milk, and give them a little cool science experiment to do. So that's all I have. I hope you guys have a lot of fun doing this in your own kitchen. Thank you and have a great day.